Here's how easy it is to build a DIY copper bird bath. We used 3 copper pipes to make the base of this bird bath. They're ½ inch in diameter and about 3 feet long each. We used 18 gauge copper wire, all of the copper was from the hardware store, and wrapped it around once we got the legs like we liked. I wrapped one long piece of copper wire around the base until I thought it was pretty secure, and then I added Gorilla Glue super glue within to kind of hold it extra tight. Finally, I cut a second piece of copper wire and wrapped it all around. Make sure to go around as well as in between the different poles, just kind of randomly until it feels really tight and secure. Then it's time to glue the copper base onto the bottom of your plant saucer. I'll tell you, I originally used Gorilla Glue super glue to do this, and it ended up breaking off, so I recommend using the Gorilla Glue 2-part epoxy glue. That worked and is holding very strong for us. Let it dry overnight. I added a solar fountain, which is really actually inexpensive off Amazon. I can link it below, and it doesn't need batteries or anything, and it adds that fun little fountain effect. My 2-year-old loves this thing, and I love that it adds a little bit of water and water sounds to our backyard. Check out more easy DIY projects at charlestoncrafted.com.